Hey everybody, I'm Matt Rosenthal, CEO of MindCore Technologies and cybersecurity expert. And today I want to tell you about the 3 mindset shifts that helped me go from 0 to $1 million and beyond that, from 2 million to 3 million to 4 million to 5 million. So I hope you enjoy. So there are so many things. This is a long list. Like, to me, the list could be 20 things. There's a lot that went into getting from 0 to 1 million. But the 3 that I really want to focus on, the first one being grateful. These are things that I think early on, I didn't take the time. I didn't take the time to stop and think about how important it was to really be grateful for the opportunities that present themselves, the people that present themselves. As time went on and I had that mindset shift, and I'm fortunate enough to be able to say that I have good mentors, that I follow certain people, certain influencers. I've read some really good books. And through a combination of all of that, for me, the light bulb really went on when it came to being grateful. And that energy that comes with being grateful, it changes everything. It changes everything. And when you don't think about making money, it's funny how the money finds you. It's funny how the business grows, because the people that you're working with, not just your coworkers, the people that are potential prospects, the people that you want to sell your service to because you know that you're going to help them. When you're grateful for all of that, for all of it, it naturally just comes and it just finds you. So that's number one. Number two is a very powerful one. And this was not easy for me. It's the word acceptance. For a long time, I wanted to change things. I wanted to change people. I wanted to change circumstances. I had to realize that you can't change people. You can't necessarily change circumstances that are beyond your control. So while you can change certain things, and while certain things you can influence, at times, it's really powerful to accept things, especially accepting people. And the hard thing about accepting people is you may come to find that the people that you surround yourself with are not going to help you, are not going to serve you in going from 0 to 1 million and then beyond, because those people essentially are energy vampires. They're sucking the energy out of you and out of what you're trying to do. And sometimes you have to make the tough decision to change who you surround yourself with. The third one being, this is also really, really powerful. And I wish I knew this like way sooner. You don't just listen to people. You have to listen to understand. And people can feel that. Like, they can feel when you're listening to them and when you're actually connecting. They can feel your energy. They can feel your focus. And they can feel that you're really with them. And when people feel that from you, it changes everything. It opens doors. And the connection that you have with people becomes priceless. These are all things that I did not know early on, and they're all things that ultimately became mindset shifts. As I said, from mentors, from books, from people that I follow, people that I talk to. You have to have your antennas up. You gotta have the antennas up. You have to be paying attention. So when those things present themselves to you and you have the opportunity to evolve and to learn, that's the mindset shift. And it has to sink in. It's gotta be real. It's not something you can consciously say, okay, I'm going to think that way from now on. These are things that just happen. And when they happen, they become who you are. They change who you are. So I hope that these 3 mindset shifts that I had were helpful to you. And I hope that they're helpful to you in going from 0 to 1 million and beyond. Hope you enjoyed. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was of value, or if this video helped you in any way, please subscribe down below by clicking that subscribe button. Check out the rest of the videos that we have as well. Thank you.